How to identify plus M or minus M group? So identification of plus M or minus M. Okay, most of the time we have most of the students have doubt in this particular process. Okay, कि भाई कैसे पता करें कि कोई ग्रुप प्लस एम शो करेगा या माइनस एम शो करेगा, हाउ टू डिसाइड दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. So it is very simple. You just need to follow a simple process. You just need to think about the conjugate position, atom attached at the conjugate position, because we know very well this plus M or minus M, it arises due to the resonance. It is the movement of electron by resonance, and resonance happens in a conjugated system. Okay, so we must have a conjugate system over here. So you just need to think about the conjugated position. I'll make a very small conjugated system over here. There's a pi bond. Okay, and in this pi bond we have certain atom attached here. Let us say the atom attached here is atom A. Okay, now conjugated system could be what? Conjugate system are very simple. It could be carbon, double bond carbon, and here some group A attached here. Okay, now if this atom A has either double bond, triple bond, lone pair, negative charge or positive charge or free radical present. If this particular atom A has either double bond, triple bond, lone pair, negative charge, positive charge or free radical, they are going to be a conjugate system. There will be resonance. Okay, so I have made a conjugate system over here, and here is atom A. Now all you need to think about this atom A here. Okay, now if this atom A has a lone pair, if this atom A has lone pair or negative charge, if this atom A has lone pair or negative charge without any multiple bond, if this element A, if this atom A attached at conjugate position has either lone pair or negative charge without any multiple bond, it will show plus M effect. The effect will be nothing but plus M effect. Okay, it will be electron donating group will be plus M effect. For example, if this A is either OCH3 or it is OH or it is NH2 or even it is O negative. If atom A is something like this, that means this atom A is this time oxygen. We can see oxygen has lone pair, it has two lone pair and a single bond with carbon. So it has lone pair without any multiple bond. OH has lone pair without any multiple bond. The atom A this time is oxygen and it has the lone pair without any multiple bond. Here we have nitrogen which has lone pair without any multiple bond. That means atom A attached at conjugate position, if this atom A has lone pair or negative charge without any multiple bond, the effect will be plus M effect. For the minus M effect, again it is very simple. If we talk about the minus M effect, the atom attached at conjugated position, this A atom has multiple bond. If it has multiple bond with high electronegative atom, and do not have any lone pair, then the effect will be minus M effect. Then the effect is going to be minus M effect. That means if the atom that is present at conjugate position has multiple bond with high electronegative atom, that means this atom A is forming a multiple bond with high electronegative atom and that atom A do not have any lone pair, then this particular group will show minus M effect. I'll show you the examples here. For example, if we talk about NO2, if we talk about N double bond O coordinate bond O, this time atom A attached at conjugate position is nitrogen. This nitrogen does not have any lone pair because it is forming 5 bonds. Okay, the coordinate bond could be considered as a double bond. So it do not have any kind of lone pair and it is forming a multiple bond, a double bond with high electronegative atom oxygen. So group will be minus M group. Similarly, you can talk about the CHO, C double bond OH. This time the atom attached at conjugate position carbon has multiple bond with high electronegative atom oxygen and this carbon do not have any lone pair. That means these groups are minus M groups. So this is how you can identify plus M or minus M effect very easily. All you need to think about the atom attached at conjugated position. If atom attached at conjugate position has lone pair or negative charge without any multiple bond, plus M. If atom attached at conjugate position has multiple with high electronegative atom, minus M. That's all. Okay, you do not need to memorize anything. You do not need to memorize any group. Okay, all you need to think about this particular setup. Understood? Okay, so चलो फिर एक बार फिर इस क्वेश्चन में भी देख लेते हैं whether our concept is applying in this question or not. Okay, so if we talk about OCH3 here, हम यहाँ साइड में बना देता हूँ आप लोगों के लिए. If we talk about OCH3 here, so OCH3 का सीन क्या है? Over here oxygen and CH3. So in this case oxygen has this atom A has lone pair without any multiple bond, plus M. This is plus M effect. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज NO2. अभी हमने देखा N डबल बॉन्ड O कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड O, नो लोन पेयर, द मल्टीपल बॉन्ड विथ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम -m. Okay, so you can identify +m or -m very easily if you remember this particular small Chanakya Niti here. Okay, so Chanakya Niti for +m or -m is what? For +m, atom attached at conjugate position must have the lone pair or negative charge without any multiple bond. For -m, atom attached at conjugated position has multiple bond with electronegative atom and it does not have any kind of lone pair. That's all. Okay, so this is how we can identify +m or -m effect very easily.